In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email to contact form Wix. By the end, your contact element will open a pre-addressed email for your visitors, making it easy for them to reach you with a single click. Start by opening Wix Studio and heading to your site's dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to launch the editor. Give it a moment to load your site. Once the editor is open, navigate to the page or section where your contact area lives, usually the contact page. Find the specific element you want people to click. This could be a contact button, a mail icon, or a text link. Hover over that element and right-click to open the quick menu, then choose Link. If you don't see the option on right-click, select the element and look for the link control in the toolbar. The setting is the same either way. In the Link Settings panel, choose Email. This tells Wix to create a Mail To link, which opens the visitor's default email app with a new message ready to send. It's different from a form submission. Instead of sending through your site, it launches their email client. On desktop, that might be Outlook, Apple Mail, or Gmail in the browser. On mobile, it usually opens the phone's mail app. Enter the email address where you want to receive messages. Take a moment to double check for typos, because any mistake here means messages won't reach you. Next, type a clear subject line. Something like inquiry from website or new contact request works well because it's recognizable and helps you sort your inbox. Keep it short, professional, and free of excessive punctuation so it doesn't look spammy. When you're set, click Done to save those link settings. That's the core configuration completed. Before moving on, it's smart to do a quick test. Use Preview, click the element you just linked, and confirm that a new email draft opens addressed to the email you entered with the subject you provided. If it doesn't, return to the element, reopen the link settings, and verify the email option, the address, and the subject are all correct. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Use an inbox you monitor regularly. Consider a simple subject line that clearly identifies messages from your site. And remember that since this relies on the visitor's email app, some users who don't have a default mail client set up may prefer a traditional Wix form. If that's important for your audience, you can keep your form on the page and offer both options. That's all you need to link an email to your contact element in Wix Studio. With this setup, your visitors can reach out in one click.